Faces, it's me, Beth B. Today on my channel, I'm going to be doing a post review of Ms. Fink from Dye Moon Shop, DIY Moon Shop, Dye Moon Shop. I don't know how you say it. This is my cat Kenzu, who is here co-hosting, and I did do a unboxing of Ms. Fink. You can find the unboxing video on my channel. I will have it linked in the description box below if you're interested in watching it. But I did complete this diamond painting. It took me about a week and a half to complete. It was a trying time while I worked on it. Let's just say that. We'll just get right into the review and I'll let you know. So, move out of the way, Zuzu. Here is the completed diamond painting. I went and used the ABs. So, you'll see in the red parts, there's like extra sparkle, and in her hair as well, you can kind of see right there. And then here, all along here, there's ABs a little bit over here. With the ABs, basically there were two things. Like, you can either use the non-AB or you can use the AB. It was the same symbol on the canvas. It was just, the DMC was like, it's either said AB or it said, I think it was 666. I don't really remember because I threw away the thing for it, but yeah, so okay, so you need to go. You're not being a good co-host. You're blocking everything. But yeah, so you can either use the ABs or you can just use the regular drills. And excuse me, okay. Oh my god, I'm gonna kill my cat. Just kidding, I will not kill him. But like, this size, this was just like the one size that they offered, and like, it's fine. But if you compare it to the original artwork, obviously you're not going to get all the detail, and it does look nice further away. Like, you can see if you go further away, don't look at my dirty floor, but it does look nice further away. But there was just, I feel like with Dye Moon Shop canvases, there's just unnecessary confetti. So obviously this area is meant to be gray, but it has pink in it. And I'm not a fan of like the random pink, because it's like, hi, it's supposed to be gray, why is there pink in here? And just like random confetti, like there's green over here for some reason, even though it's in the background. There's green down here, I think, where I feel like it should just be gray, red, gray, maroon, and like dark colors and blue. The one thing that I had issues with, and one thing that I find is a consistent thing with Dye Moon Shop canvases, is that the glue is not as sticky as it should be, or not as strong as it should be. So while I'm diamond painting with this hand, I like to lay my elbow on the canvas itself, just because that's how I diamond paint. Like, I lean on the canvas a little bit, and I noticed that like sometimes with other canvases, I would pull up like 1 or 2 drills. So I'd have like 1 or 2 drills stuck to the bottom of my arm. But with this one, literally, like, I could remove the whole row of drills, or I would slide the whole row of drills with just my elbow because the glue isn't strong enough. And I found it really easy to slide around the drills. I already see areas where I'm missing drills, even though I went through this already and filled in any holes and things like that. So definitely, if you are planning on displaying your Dye Moon Shop paintings, if you are planning on displaying your Dye Moon Shop paintings, you definitely want to seal them. And they don't have, I don't think they have like the warranty like other diamond painting companies, where it's like if you seal it, it voids the warranty or whatever. Like, I don't really know if they have any type of warranty, to be honest. But if you want to keep the drills on your canvas, I highly recommend sealing it. And like, even when I was working on it, I would roll the top part, and like, even just by rolling the canvas with the drills out, I would see drills pop off. Like, I would just be doing this, and then I would feel like a drill is popping off. So I don't know what the problem is. Like, I think the adhesive just isn't strong enough, which is really annoying. I do like the artwork. Like, I think one of the main reasons why I chose this canvas was the palm trees. And I really like that she was like this green alien girl wearing like combat boots. Like I thought that was super cute. But yeah, like I like how this image looks. It looks great from far away, but I wouldn't necessarily buy it again, I guess. Like I had a hard time working on it. It did not bring me joy, as some people would say, does it bring you joy? But it didn't bring me joy working on it. Like looking at the final picture now, it's like, okay, like it's cute and stuff. But I just didn't have fun working on it. And like partway through, I was just like, should I keep going with this canvas? Should I just give up? Should I put it away for now and kit something else up? It was just like too much unnecessary confetti. It's kind of like they computer generate the canvas and they don't do any edits to it, or they don't do any edits to the photo before they submit it for computer generation. And it's kind of just like, I wish they would take that one step of like editing the photos so there's not all this random confetti throughout. And yeah, so I don't know. It was expensive because Dye Moon Shop just in general is expensive. It is a licensed image by Leilani Joy though. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think that Dye Moon Club is for me. Like I do have a number, I probably have like 10 canvases from them, but honestly, I can't see myself working on the other ones. Like I'll unbox them and show you guys, but I can't see myself working on them anytime soon just because I was so unhappy doing this one. Yeah, like I like the image, the artwork is awesome, but just like the weird confetti, and like it looks good far away, but when you go close up, you're like, what is that? It's like a, what is it? A Monet. When you're from far away, it looks nice, and then up close, it's kind of a mess. That's from like Clueless or something like that. But yeah, so that is my diamond painting from Dye Moon Shop. What do you guys think of it? What are your thoughts on Dye Moon Shop? Do you have a diamond painting from them? Give me your feedback, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far and you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. I post new videos on an almost daily basis, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye!